it rained all night in the shelter, but that's fine because it didn't start till after I was all snug in the shelter. And now this beautiful morning, looks like we're gonna have another gorgeous day in the Smokies. The ridge walks up here just keep bringing these amazing views. It's a good day. Actually, I had a family from Queens in the shelter last night. It's good to chat with somebody about home. And other group of kids, but the kids were nice, and some of them stayed in their tents so we could stay in the shelters. It's just my cold's almost gone, feeling much better. Yesterday and it looks like today are relatively easy. Just these ridge walks, a few ups and downs. That's it. And then after tomorrow we'll start the big descent down into Standing Bear. Hopefully the rains will hold off, same as yesterday. It can rain all at once at night when I'm in the shelter, as long as it stays away during the day. But feeling stronger. And just wrapping my head around this whole Smokies thing. It's almost surreal thinking that I'm here in the Smokies, over 200 miles in so far. And yet some days it just seems like I'm getting up in the middle of a week long, just pushing it out. Ran into a guy yesterday, stayed in the shelter. He started on March 1st. So he's been pushing out the miles, but he's paying for it now. He's hurting. So he's got to kind of work his way out of the Smokies a few miles at a time until he can get somewhere to rest and get himself sorted. And it's one of the main reasons that I took it nice and slow and easy, and have been giving myself plenty of time off in the beginning, just letting my body get used to this and not straining or stressing anything too much. With the exception of this cold, my body's felt really good. So I think my game plan has been the right game plan for me so far. And down to, I can't remember, Cosby shelter, I believe, for today. About 13 miles plus that stupid 0.4 just to get out of the shelter this morning. So, talk to you later. Really interesting part of the trail right now. It's like everything is moss, evergreens falling down. It's almost like in a dark, enchanted forest. I mean, everything is just moss. Green. The fog just moves in just so quickly. You have a view and then just seconds later the fog's rolled in and you have nothing. It's been pretty amazing today. Hoping to get to the shelter before it starts raining, and then tomorrow we're supposed to have snow, so we'll see what happens. So this is the site of the plane wreckage. A bit more down there. That's all there really is to it.